In today's video, I want to introduce an advanced indicator on TradingView that helps you to easily manage your risk and manage your open positions. This tool is free, and for adding it to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search trade and risk management tool. This one, which is written by Zierman. When we click on it, nothing will be added to our chart until we click on the point that is actually our trade entry point. For short positions, we click above the current price, and for long positions, we click below the price. For example, here, after this pullback, consider that we realize that the price is gonna decline. So when this candle is opened, we entered a short position. At that moment, we click above the current price, so the indicator calculates for short position. As you can see, it has added some levels and some information here and here in this table. This is the level of our stop loss. If you remember, we entered a short position and stop loss will be placed above our entry price, and this is the stop loss level that is automatically calculated by this indicator, which is at this price, and it's actually 1.36% loss in case if the price turns up and hits our stop loss at this level. This indicator has a feature that can automatically calculate stop loss based on the current characteristics of the market. In other words, it can suggest the best possible stop loss at that time that we entered a position, and it's usually based on the previous swing high or low, which is one of the common ways for setting stop loss. For example, here, since we entered a short position, it suggested a stop loss above the previous swing high here at this level. By default, automatic stop loss is activated, and you can also define it to be smaller or larger, which depends on your trading style or the time frame that you're trading. For example, here on this time frame and for this asset, you may want to set your stop loss a little tighter. But for example, if this was crypto asset, you may consider it good level since crypto assets has more volatility. In case if you don't want automatic stop loss and you use a fixed level for your stop losses, you can define it here for your desired amount of points or pips. You can also change the type of your stop loss to trailing stop, and by having this option on, your trailing stop will continue until the stop is hit. Alright, let's see what other information we have here. These are the levels of profit orders. Here's the profit target at risk to reward ratio of 1, which is an equal amount to loss and not recommended. Here the profit target at risk to reward ratio of 1.5, and here risk to reward ratio of 2. This is the target price, which will give us 2.72% profit. By default, the risk to reward ratio is set at 2, but you can increase it in the settings and have more levels of targets. Here also gives us the position size, which is calculated based on the stop loss level, and also the level of the risk that is defined here in the settings. By default is set at 2%, which I recommend you to set it at 1% if you're a beginner or you don't have much experience. Setting it at 1% helps you to better protect your trading account. Here also you can set the size of your trading account. If you're wondering how the position size is calculated based on this percentage of risk and the level of stop loss, I have a complete guide on this risk management strategy. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it so you better understand how these informations are calculated. Here also you can define the probability of winning and losing, which you can have it based on historical information of your trading strategy, and this indicator will calculate the expected returns for you here based on stop loss and take profit. And in this case, you can see that it's 1.9% for our short position example here on this chart. This table also shows our short position P&L, profit and loss based on the current price of the market, which at the moment we are at 1.2% profit. This was an example for short position, and for long positions we do the same, but the profit and stop loss are in the opposite direction. For example, consider here we realize that the price is gonna advance and we entered a trade here. So we click below the current price of the market and it will be calculated for long position. Since this is a long position, the stop loss is placed below the entry price, and this indicator set it here, which is below the previous swing low. And these are different profit targets up to here, which is at risk to reward ratio of 2. And we have also other information here for our long position. Risk management is one of the most important aspects of trading that determines your long-term success. Without a proper risk management strategy, you will not be able to protect your trading account because losing trades are always part of the game. And this sophisticated indicator helps you to easily manage your risk and manage your open positions. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.